everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and I'm back again with another interesting and useful video where I will show you how you can read deleted messages of WhatsApp without installing any app. So you need not install any app to read the deleted messages someone has sent you on WhatsApp. I will show you an easy method to do that you can do by using your mobile device. So let's start the video and see how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So here I will show you one live example how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So first of all, I will go to my WhatsApp application, and here as you can see I received one message from someone, and now this message is showing as deleted. This message was deleted. It is showing the count as 3. So if I will open it, you can see around 2 of the messages that I received have been deleted by the person. Now if you are thinking that there is no way to read that, then you are wrong. I can read that very easily. I will show you how. So if you can see, the time that is showing right here is 9:21, and the time I am recording this video is 9:34. So as you can see, there is a 13 minutes gap in the message. Alright, I received this message 13 minutes ago. Now if I want to read it, what was the message that got deleted, what you need to do is you just have to go to the settings section of your mobile device. So no matter which model of Android you are using, you just need to follow the steps that I am telling you according to your device model. You just have to go to the settings, and then you have to look for apps and notifications section. Again, you have to go to notifications, and then you have to search for this option that says advanced notifications. You might find it under the notification section, or you can manually search it if you have the option. You just need to look for this option, advanced. Alright, as you can see this right here, I have this option inbuilt on my Android device. You might also have it. Most of the mobile devices have this option these days. Alright, so now what you need to do is you just have to go to advanced section under notifications, and if you will scroll down further, you will see one option that says notification history. So basically you have to look for notification history, where all your notifications get stored from all the applications that you have installed on the mobile device, including WhatsApp. So open notification history, and firstly it will show you the recent notifications that you have received. If you will scroll down, it will show you the notifications for every individual app, as you can see. So what you need to do is just go to WhatsApp, and if you will open it, you can see the recent notifications that I have received, the recent messages that I have received on WhatsApp, and that were deleted by the sender. Alright, as you can see, it is showing as 15 minutes. That means this message was received 15 minutes ago, and now I can read it. As you can see, hi, how are you? If I will go back to WhatsApp, you can see that the difference is 15 minutes right now. I received the message at 9:21, and now it is 9:37, so it is basically 16 minutes ago. If I will go back to that section, as you can see, the difference is same. Now it is showing as 16 minutes. Alright, so that's how you can read the deleted messages sent by anyone on WhatsApp as far as your internet was enabled. Alright, if you have kept your internet, your mobile data or Wi-Fi off, you will not be able to use this feature, because this happens when someone sends you a message, you receive a notification. That notification gets stored in the history of your mobile device, and if your internet is off, it will not receive any notification, and that will not go into the history section. So that's the logic right here. So make sure your internet is on always if you want to check which message was deleted. So that was it for today's video. I showed you an easy way to read all the deleted messages that you receive on WhatsApp, and you can easily check which person deleted which message. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more interesting and useful videos. And if you have any doubts, issues or queries related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.